welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily, and on my channel I like to share home decor and plant tips. And today's video is going to be basically a little living room update. I don't have my sofa yet, but I have some new decor pieces that came in, so I want to go ahead and share with you guys what I got. And in my apartment I have a little nook area which should have been like a little dining area, but I decided to utilize that space as a small little office nook. So what I've decided to do in my living room, since it's right next to the kitchen and it's an open kitchen, I decided to just have a small little corner for like a two-person dining area. And I just got that stuff in a few days ago, and I wanted to share with you how it turned out. But before I share that with you, I'm gonna go ahead and add those clips so you guys can see me building the chairs, and after that I'm gonna share with you what it looks like right now, and we're gonna go ahead and keep adding some stuff that I just got delivered. So yeah, let's go ahead and rewind a couple of days to me building my dining room chairs. Here are the dining chairs. I got like a camel color, fake leather, obviously. And it's gonna look so nice. I just wanted something different. So I'm gonna go ahead and start building these. Hopefully it does not take long. Outfit change. I'm waiting for my friend to pick me up to go get food, so I'm gonna try to hurry before she calls. I already got one done, but it's a little bit uneven, so I don't know if it's the floor. I know that my apartment is like on a slant, so it might be that. This one seems fine, so once I move it over there, if it's still wobbly, then I just know it's the floor and not the chair. So can't do anything about that. This is what it looks like. I wasn't sure about the chairs at first because I was expecting them to be a lot lighter, but honestly, I really like them. They're gonna look perfect once my sofa comes because my sofa is like a super light cream color. So I think it's a nice change of fabric for my space. And like I mentioned, my kitchen is pretty open. So instead of having it here, I'm just gonna have my little dining space right here. And honestly, I think it's perfect. It's just me. So I don't need any more space really. And just having that extra chair for when my friends stay over or something, then it's perfect. All right, so that's the dining area. I was thinking about adding some pampas grass right here, but honestly, they're so expensive for some strange reason, honestly. But, whoops. But until then, I think it looks good. And it's simple. I don't want to add too much because I'm gonna be adding something to this wall. And I'm gonna be adding to this wall too, which is gonna be right behind the sofa, the soon to arrive sofa. So I'm gonna share with you guys some of the stuff that I'm gonna be hanging up today. Everything is from Urban Outfitters. And for the first piece, let me go ahead and show you just the frames. So first is gonna be this frame. And I have another blank one with another piece of art right there. I just need to obviously put it in the frame. And they're just gonna go right here to be even to the couch. Or sorry, the sofa is gonna be right here. And then you'll be able to see both art pieces. And yeah, so that's just gonna be those two. And then I still need to open up this one. And this art is gonna go above the TV. All right, so this decor piece is also from Urban Outfitters, and I have been wanting this for the longest time. I've always wanted this for the bedroom to go like to go above the bed like a headboard, but I have like a small window above my bed, so that wouldn't work. But I saw that a lot of people put stuff above their TV, and honestly, I have such a tiny TV, I don't really use it that much. And I know some people don't like to put a bunch of stuff around their TV, but I have been wanting this for so long, so I'm excited to finally open it. So it's like this cool fan, and I just get like vintage vibes from it. It's like boho and I don't know, mostly vintage. I've been more into like vintagey stuff lately. And yeah, I hope it looks good. I don't know how I'm gonna get it up there because my ceilings are pretty tall. But yeah, this is one of the pieces. So let's go ahead and start with this guy. Let's go ahead and put this guy up first.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on a wave.
All right, it's up and I think it looks really cute. Yeah, it's so cute. And I'm honestly shocked that I was able to get it perfectly centered. Next, we're gonna hang up those frames on this wall right here. So let's go ahead and do that.
Space, space, space,
all right, so this is what they look like. Here's the first one. I'm just gonna go on this wall, and then here's the second one. And I'm so annoyed. Literally twice I had to order this last one because the frame color does not match. It's like kind of annoying. You can hardly tell, but I can tell. So that's just gonna be something that bothers me. But yeah, we're gonna hang them right here so that way that when the couch is right in the middle, you can see them right above the couch. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna use the command strips because in case I want to move them a bit once the sofa arrives, then I can, and I won't have to worry about making any new holes or anything like that. I think, oh my gosh, I really hope this is not my last one. All right, so I apologize that it's super gloomy out today. It's already getting late. But what I like to do instead of making holes in my walls, since I just rent, I use the command Velcro strips. So I already have that one up, and now I'm hoping to get this one right.
look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more.
All right, they're even, and I think they look pretty good. All right, done with that. All right, so you guys can ignore the boxes and the mess, but I think it's looking good. We have the little dining spot right here, the new fan wall art, which I think honestly was what I was missing because these ceilings are so high. I needed something to just like distract from all the blank space, and I just knew I wasn't going to get like a huge TV or anything. And then we have the nice wall art. I love them, they're super simple. And then once the sofa is right here, it's gonna look perfect and even, and just the way I like it. All right, you guys, so that's basically it. I just wanted to share with you the new items that I got and just show you how I looked in the space. I'm not gonna do much more to the living room until I get my sofa. Once I have it, I'll know if I have to like move anything and see how much space I have for like adding anything else if I want. But honestly, I think what I have right now is like, I think it's perfectly fine. Don't think I need to add much more. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys liked any of the new items that I got, I'll have them linked down below. And like always, if you're not following me already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Clasicasita. And I post on there every day on my stories, and you guys can see what I'm up to. Thank you guys again, and I will see you next time.